Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a aftermarket exhaust system for McLaren 570. What you see here is the engine of the 570S. I did remove exhaust system and the downpipe. So I'm gonna show you. Here's aftermarket downpipe. This is Larini system, Larini downpipe, and Larini cat back. And this is the factory one. So we have to swap, O2 sensors and heat shield from the factory one into the new one. But this one, we cannot put the heat shield in here first. We have to slide this one onto the car first, and then after that we can bolt the heat shield in, because the heat shield is really big. And in order to remove this out of the car, you have to loose the heat shield and take the heat shield out in order to slide these downpipes out of the car. It was a pain in the butt, but we got it done nice and clean. I'll show you. Here's a factory one. This is a factory 570S cat back, and here is Larini cat back. So pretty much straight pipes. So it will be sound really nice. Here's another downpipe, and we gotta reuse the rear section for the cat back. So in order to remove the exhaust system, you have to lift up the car. I'm gonna show you real quick. Take off the wheels, take off your rear diffuser, and you also have to take off the rear inner fender in order for you to get your hand to the V-band over there. You can see the V-band. Okay, what else? And over here, I'm gonna show you the heat shield. This is the heat shield. This is the inner, and then there's the outer one. It's very big. You cannot slide it out without taking this heat shield off. Well, I was trying, but I know that it won't work, so I have to take it off. So don't do a shortcut. Get it done right. And what else? Of course, you have to remove the cover on the engine, which is required the 2 bolts right here. And then you will have to kind of loose this, the latch right here, and kind of have it sit right here. So that's why you have room to bring the downpipe up. Yep, and that's intercooler 3.8 V8 engine. What else? That's about it. I got my hand beat up on Thanksgiving Day. Gotta get this car ready. Today I have to get it done today, so last couple of days I was kind of monkey around, driving around in my Lambo, enjoying my life and not working. But now time to work, buddy. Game is over. Play time's over. Gotta work. Yeah. What else? So yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the downpipes now, and then I will give you guys a video of the car that it sounds before and then after. I'm gonna give you a sound clip of the stock exhaust system, and then with an aftermarket Larini exhaust system. It will sound nice. You're gonna be able to hear the turbo whine, Zip, 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 zip. It's gonna sound nicer. Yep. Yep. So I can't wait. Can't wait. All right. Stop talking and get back to work.